Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Trading212 app easily. But before we get started, please be advised that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First things first, you want to open your Trading212 app, and from the home screen, you want to click at the icon at the bottom of the screen, this one. And then from here, you want to search for any crypto you'd like. Let's say, for example, this one. Now, as you can see, whatever crypto you choose, it will show here that you only have the option to view it. It says here, view only option. Now, that is correct. Currently, this is the situation because based on their website, while the FCA is lifting its restrictions from October 8, 2025, the actual trading of these products can only begin once the ETN issuers have their prospectus approved and the instruments are officially listed for retail trading. They said that they are currently monitoring the situation closely and they will make these products available as soon as the providers launch them. But in the meantime, we can prepare our account by completing the approval process that they have listed on their websites. So yes, before we can begin trading crypto assets on Trading212, we must verify our identity first and pass the appropriateness test that they have on the website. So basically, that's it. This is the method. This method is how we can buy crypto once they are available. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.